Wow, these are so beautiful. We have plane, we have car, we have bikes, animals, superheroes, so many things in there. So many cartoons. We have train, we have horse like zebra, we have many, many more. All the toys are so muddy. There is mud in that, in the plane, the car, in the train, on the mini car. So let's see after washing. It is car. This is plane. This is train. Superheroes. Let's see what's inside this. This is bike. This is small car. This also bike. This is so cute toy. Wow. This is animal toy. We have tank. Whoa, this is a mini car. Whoa, this is lion. This looks like an elephant. Let's
Welcome
see
back,
after
guys.
washing. Wow, this is so cute. A little car.
Don't need that. Ah, personalized gas caps. Ah, they never have my name.
Also deliver powerful kicks from their hose, which allows them to defend themselves from
Whoa. This is superhero. Captain America.
Gotcha!
Let's see what next. Whoa. The little car. Next one we have it's cheetah. Wow. This is bike.
Trying to find a way through a crossing.
Next one, this is so cute. Little toy. Wow. Next one, we have another toy. A little toy. Let's see. This is Superman, no? This is Spider-Man. Wow. This is so cute. This is tank. A small tank. Wow. Next. This is a train. The next one is, let's see, this is so big. The next one is aeroplane. I think he is going. Wow. Next one. This is fox, a standing fox. So cute. Wow. Wow, this is another bike.
Marquez is going to get the hammer down.